Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a geominimal portrait on Higgsfield AI. And Higgsfield AI is an AI platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects and stunning images all with the push of a button on your system. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the geominimal effect image effect on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is log into your account, choose the Higgsfield so section, scroll down and choose the geominimal area here. You'll be brought to a page similar to what I have displayed on my screen, and then you can just scroll down to see what the effect would look like. So you can see what the geominimal effect would look like. A with clean line, you see clean lines of geometry, um, overlays and minimalist setting. So it's just a subject minimal to the background. So you can click on generate or click on any of these images. Let's assume I want to create something like this. All I have to do is click on it. It will take me to a page where I can actually recreate this. So from here I can recreate this will just extract the prompts for me here and take it to a page where I can actually reformat it to fit my style or fit what I want to achieve. So once I'm done, I'll click on generate, and there are two models here. You can use the high is used to generate high quality images, while the basic is used for minimal credit usage, and actually is actually the fastest and cheapest too, and it will use a credit here. Higgsfield already gives you 5 free credits per day, so you can actually generate more depending on how you use your credits. And once you're done generating, your picture would appear here. You can animate it by clicking on this animate section, click on video or speech or the speak section. Then once you do that, you can actually download it to your system here, and that will be all guys. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. We're actively trying to grow. We'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.